Alright, first things first is pop the hood. Feel it under there, pick it up. Alright. Today we're going to be switching out the passenger side headlight. First you need to remove the front grille, undo the 4 clips on top, and the grille should pop out when you pull on it. Just pull on one side first. I would do the passenger side first, doesn't matter, until it clips out. And then go to the other side and pull that side's clip out. And then get the grille out of the way. I just put it up on the engine. Now there's 2 clips you need to focus on here. There's this one here, and then one on the other side, right here. And what you need to do is you need to pull those clips up and make sure that they line up with the little pegs that are holding the light in. I ended up having some issues with the more medial peg. I don't know why, it always jams up. The other one's really easy. Oh, there you go. So, you need to line up this circular little peg here with the hole. And so, just pull and push on the tab until it lines up with the hole so you can get the light out. There you go. So now it's lined up. And then do the same thing with the other one. Sorry, the sun's in the way. There you go. Okay, and once they're both lined up, just pull the light out. Next thing you gotta do is undo the harness. Just push down on the tab on top, and then pull it off. Of course, these are always like really impossible to get off. But anyway. Alright, set the light up on a smooth surface, and then just turn the back plate and expose the light housing. Now what you're looking at here is the igniter. Mine's actually okay, I just need to replace the bulb. But first you have to unclip it from this wire, so just pull it off. Okay, once it's off, you can grab the igniter housing and turn it counterclockwise. Whatever way it says on the picture. And then carefully lift off the housing, and you'll see this apparatus. You can just put the housing aside. So what you need to do here is squeeze those 2 clips together, and then it should release the bulb itself. Now you can just pull the bulb out. The replacement is the same procedure, just in reverse. Once you've put everything back together, just flip the lights on and give it a try. Make sure they're working. These are the exact lights I bought. I just bought a set and replaced them both at the same time. I feel like otherwise you run the risk of one being slightly different color or brightness, so might as well do both at once. Alright, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks.